Hola again. ¿Cómo están? Bien? Excelente. Okay, well today, nosotros escribimos más vocabulario. Vocabulario extra. Por favor, saquen los apuntes. Saquen los apuntes. Sí, hay más vocabulario. There's a lot of vocab that you need to know in this section. Lo siento. So we have more vocab today. Más vocabulario. All right. Here we go. ¿Están listos? Everyone have your notes out? If you need some extra time, pause. No? Good? Excellent. Okay. Bueno. First we have antes de plus an infinitive verb. What's an infinitive? Does anyone remember? We took notes on this on Monday. An infinitive. An infinitive is an unconjugated verb. But what does that mean? What does unconjugated mean? Unconjugated means you have not put it into a form, so it still ends in R. So I'm going to give you an example of an infinitive. An infinitive would be cantar, because it still ends in the AR, ER, or IR. Another infinitive could be lavar, because it still ends in the R. Do you guys kind of get it, the infinitive thing? If you can think of some other infinitives, kind of tell your neighbor, oh, see, Diego, this is an infinitive, see? All right. Okay, so, going back to our vocab now. Antes de plus an infinitive means before blanking. So if I said antes de estudiar, that would be saying before studying. Okay? So antes de, and then mirar la televisión, before watching TV, something like that. Okay? Antes de, before blanking. So then we have después de plus an infinitive. What was an infinitive? An unconjugated verb. It still ends in the R. See? Okay? Después de is after something. So después de lavar el carro, after washing the car, my friends and I go for a ride or something. Alright? Después de. Alright, couple of them here. La cena is dinner. Que is that which or who. Now, what do you notice about que that's different from this word, que? It doesn't have the accent, which makes it a totally different word, okay? So, que without the accent means that which or who. That which or who. Alright. We have a cognate here. La guitarra is guitar. La guitarra, guitar. Por eso, so or that's why. Por eso, so or that's why. Another cognate, el piano, is piano. Now, notice it's not pronounced el piano, it's el piano. See? El piano. El refresco is soda or soft drink. El refresco. I always think that it's refreshing, or a fresca. I think that's a brand of soda. Fresca? El refresco, soda, soft drink. El restaurante, another cognate, means restaurant. Restaurante is restaurant. El helado. Notice I'm not pronouncing the H. We don't pronounce H's, just like in hola. El helado, ice cream. El helado, ice cream. Cone is with. Cone, with. And notice how I'm pronouncing it. I'm pronouncing it like cone, like an ice cream cone. Okay? It's not con. See, a lot of people want to say con. No, not con. Cone. Cone, with. Now, if you're saying with me, it's conmigo. Okay? With me is special, conmigo. It's not con yo. We don't say con yo. We say conmigo. Same with you. That's contigo. Do you have those little coffee cups? I don't know if you ever see contigo coffee cup. You can take it with you. Oh, contigo. All right. So contigo is with you. We don't say con tu. We say contigo. The rest of them, though, like with him, con él, that works. Con nosotros, with us. But the special ones are with me and with you. Contigo, conmigo. And don't forget your possessive pronouns. Me, tu, and su. And those can be plural. That's it for this page, but hay más páginas, ¿sí? Okay, voy a continuar. Okay. These are a lot of just some random words that you need to know. El baile is dance. Kind of like ballet. Baile, dance. We've looked at this one before. El profesor is teacher. If for some reason I'm going too fast, you can pause and then turn it back on. El concierto, concert. It's another cognate. Concierto, concert. La profesora is a girl teacher, feminine teacher. Los deportes you should have seen before, but it's up here again just in case you forgot it because it's kind of different. Los deportes, sports. And here's a good one. La película, movie. La película, movie. El examen is test or exam. And you've seen this one before. La prueba. La prueba is quiz. You don't have a prueba this week, luckily, but next week. La fiesta is a party. Woohoo! See? And it's up there in the classroom. So if you ever forget it, Spanish is a party. It's up there. El juego is a game in class. And that could also be like a board game or like a child's game. The reason that I differentiate it is because el partido is a sports game, like a soccer game or a football game. And then over here we have la novela, that's a novel. Different from libro. Novela is more, pleasure type reading. La página is page. You've heard me say that with your homework, right? Workbook, página 20. Hopefully you remember me saying that. And la piscina, we saw this the other day. La piscina is pool. I gave you a way to remember that. La página, page. La piscina, pool. ¿Por qué? Because. Now when it's two separate words, it means why. And you can see that up there. ¿Por qué means why. But ¿por qué, all one word, is because. There you go. There's ¿por qué, the question. Why? Verdad. Verdad means right. Verdad. ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cuándo? And then finally, el videojuego, video game. El videojuego, video game. I don't know what the most popular video game is right now. Back in my day, it was Sonic, Sega Genesis. So, el videojuego, video game. And that also has el juego in it. Helps you remember game. Y es todo. That's all. Es todo. So that's it for your vocab. You do have a really large Quizlet set, and you will have time to work on that tomorrow to help you start memorizing, because you have a quiz next week. And that's it. If you need to refer back to something, rewind the video, go back. I guess not rewind, just click back in the video. And see. Adios, clase.